Tigo crossovers in Chang Abi, Seth Rodriguez, Aragalang, Just Nabor, Shaya Adorador, Ces Robles, and their libero same starting lineup in Teo Gagate, Mitch Gamit, Jobs Gonzaga, Clo Mondoñedo, Chini Arroyo, Chai Troncoso, and their libero in Juju Angeles. 3 and 4 Zeus Coffee. Similar starting lineups here as we saw in the last game, Paneng. Galang from the back. Jobs straight to the net. First point for Cherry Tigo. That is what experience can teach. Gagate with the help of the net. Back set, Ces Robles. Mondoñedo with the coverage. Here comes Gonzaga. Nice dive by Adorador. Aragalang will try, but Chini Arroyo was there. Troncoso to counter. Oh, drop ball, so that's two veterans with 2 straight points. And now Sam Corrales is ready for a report. Sam? Nunag in the game for the first time. Jov Gonzaga. Automatic.
Hit.
Pati ako nalilito eh. Saan mo ba?
Yeah, ang hirap basahin nun.
Grabe yung body control. In the meantime, free ball for Cherry. Adorador. Oh!
Kaya na yung defense ng Zeus nakaabang sa end line waiting for a strong hit.
And
But
now,
that was a good adjustment from her targeting short ball of Zeus Coffee.
Robles was there to put it up. Galang. Gonzaga stretches. Troncoso.
That was too low.
Not crumbling late here in the first set. Nice serve there. Adorador goes cross. Joust. Mondoñedo, quick. Gamit na naman.
Ang bilis, no? Ang bilis ng balik na yon ni Michelle. Adorador in the front row.
Arroyo. Nabor, the setup. That one denied. Nunag, bump set. Adorador again. But Angeles covers. Arroyo, what a block. Met at the net. A chance for the crossovers. Jas Nabor to Chang Abi.
Good save.
It just wasn't enough, but great hustle nonetheless
Yeah.
there. Ulo si Coach Norman Miguel.
Even the players inside the court.
Let's see if they can respond here and bounce back. Gaston. Chini Arroyo. Great blocking. This time to Gagate. Bicar with this dive. And the rally continues. 1-2 play. Read perfectly. Mondoñedo this time. Chini Arroyo pushes. Bump set Bicar.
Oh, block.
Well read.
Denied
read.
access by
That's
Tei Gagate. Second best blocker in the PVL. In the meantime, Gaston finding a perfect spot to place it down. It's been a game of runs for both teams. Another nice first ball. Gagate! Exclamation point to end set number 1. And off we go. Bicar serving. Let's see how Bicar can switch things up. Gonzaga met by a triple block. Nunag bump set. Galang from the opposite side. Really placing it perfectly here.
Oh, good save.
Great hustle there for Zeus. Chance ball. Galang with the push. Versosa will play secondary center, but Gonzaga will score.
Grabe yung effort na yun ng Thunderbells to save that defense.
Kung magka-down the liner, quiet na lang ako. Just waited for it to happen. In the meantime. So Gagate is still serving here. Bump set. Robles goes drop. They've been working on that play. Free ball for the crossovers. Alina Bicar. To the middle. Not yet, says Cloan.
Tight set.
Tight.
Oh, it's his side.
And Gonzaga, with that point, is now in double figures. The first one in this game. Ces Robles. Gonzaga again, but Verdeflor was there. Robles giving a chance ball. Cloan Mondoñedo. Mitch Gamit looking for the long ball and finding the back line. The target Troncoso. Jump set. Pascual. Slowed down by the blockers. Adorador, heat check. Angeles was there to cover. From the pipe, Troncoso, not yet.
Oh, what a block by Arroyo.
Turn back by Arroyo.
Jove Gonzaga is also inside the court now.
Gaston denied.
Gagate.
Thea Gagate, another kill block. Mondoñedo still serving. A sharp one. Jules Samonte.
Samonte
Smart
off the
hit from
hands of
Samonte.
Great first ball. Arroyo,
Oh,
no, not here. Gagate, Nunag was there. A tough set, a tough hit. Chini Arroyo, but what a dig there by Nunag. The roll.
Oh!
Shaya Adorador coming up big in back-to-back sequences.
During that last sequence.
And so we are at set point. Aragalo from the open. Long cross court.
Then may mini run ang Cheritigo, but this time let's see what Cheritigo will do.
Mondoñedo opting for Gonzaga. Troncoso goes drop ball.
That was
Vicar
too
was
high.
there. Nunag bump set. It's close. And the ball is kept in play by Galang. Gonzaga putting it down, ending set number 2.
Gonzaga with that opposite hit. Take a look at that low set from Klo and na leaving only one blocker in front of Jove Gonzaga. There's a huge space there in the cross court for her.
Jovelyn Gonzaga putting out the finishing touches. For Zeus Coffee up 2 sets to love here. Aragalang blocked, but blocked out of bounds. Alina Bicar.
That's too low.
Gagate, a bump set. Gonzaga. That one was denied. Troncoso denied as well. Great net defense. One more time for Troncoso, who finds a wide open middle.
Opening on the cross court. Talagang ididiin niya yung palo.
Adorador, dug by Angeles. Dumped. Angeles again. Now to Troncoso, who pushes.
Good read by Gaston.
In transition to Adorador, but net covered. And the rally is ongoing. Ends up with Troncoso scoring the point. Kate Santiago is in the game for the first time. Troncoso now serving. Oh, it's inside.
Right in the corner pocket of Cheritigo.
Sa palong yun, parang ilang pasalubong na yun.
Quick side out there by Thea Gagate.
Mondoñedo with a full front line. Adorador with the receive. Nabor goes to Rodriguez. Angeles will play setter for Pascual. And the ball is still very much alive. Troncoso. Mondoñedo goes quick, and Gagate showing us height is truly might.
Long ball.
Galang. Not there. Pascual. Slowed down by the blockers. Verdeflor bump set. Castel was blocked.
Denied by
Thea Gagate.
Cutting down the lead of Zeus Coffee to only 1 point.
Santiago with the receive. Back to Kate Santiago. Galang putting it up. Adorador from that left pin. Santiago goes cross. And Nuna keeping it in play. Gagate stretches. And it's very much in play. A nice rally we have here. The setup for Thea.
Float.
Too low for Thea Gagate.
Tied at 16.
So clinging to a 1-point lead now. Jas Nabor, a tough set.
Oh!
Pauline Gaston finding the open spot right there in the middle.
Sa drop ball na yon, but there was no attempt.
Now to Pascual, tough angle, but
Inside.
still inside.
And to do your job, and that's what Pascual did, contributing points off the bench.
Adorador Slowed down by the blockers that time. Troncoso was checked. Back set, pipe. What a dig there by Pauline. Adorador reloads, and it's still alive. Great hustle by Zeus. Here comes Nabor. 1-2 play will not work. Chai Troncoso with a drop ball.
Power tip.
Smart tip there by Troncoso. But actually, it all started with the defense and a good read there.
20-point mark here in the first 3 sets.
Gonzaga.
Agree, and actually, yung palagi naghahabol ang Cherry Tigo. But we'll see for this third set.
Adorador of the elbow.
Sobrang ganda
of
ng start ng
Gonzaga.
Cherry Tigo, but itong patapos na tayo ng third set sila. That's a lot.
Troncoso misreceives. They go ad-lib. Is this a chance? Nabor! Adorador! Down the line!
And the set.
It's not over till it's over.
With Aragalang playing as an open hitter.
Zeus Coffee gets their first
So the Gaston
points.
at opposite, 2 points lang. Manageable deficits.
And sila yung lumamang. Sila yung nag-start na lumamang nung third set. Talking about Cherry Tigo.
Gonzaga, Verde Flor, upset. Pump set, Galang, checked at the net. Mondoñero, the setup job for Chini Arroyo. That one was checked. Verde Flor will play center. And Pauline catches the line. The serve to Verde Flor. Oh, Chang Abi.
Smart tip.
5 deadlocks already here in set number 4. Sharp serve. Off system, Arroyo. Pancake save. Buhay na buhay. Gonzaga, Mondoñedo. Gagate was blocked. Great timing there. Arroyo this time. And Nunag with the save, and it's still alive. Now to Gagate again. What a rally. Galang looking to finish. Mondoñedo, combination. Off the block, still alive. Aragalang unloads. And
Oh!
yeah, Gagate getting crafty.
Parang tinip na lang niya yung bola on the side of Cherry Tigo. But grabe ang bilis ng mga balikan ng bola na yon. Take a look what happened there. Yung connection ni Cloan with her middles.
Tough back set. Great save by Gonzaga. Troncoso again.
Good defense.
Says Robles adjusts, breaking the block.
Serve.
Better first ball. Chang Abi, that won't convert. Arroyo goes cross. Jasnabor, quick to Galang, drop ball. Arroyo coming out of nowhere. And the push. And the set. And Aragalang with a hit. And it's alive. So we continue. Jasnabor back to Aragalang. Signature move.
Super signature move by Aragala. Grabe, ang dami na nating nakikitang ganyang open hits from her. Take a look at that cross court at didiin niya sa down the line.
What match point? 24-19.
Good first ball.
Mondoñedo, Troncoso, swiping, and it's still alive. This time, Mondoñedo goes to Jovelyn Gonzaga, and it's blocked, and it's alive. Another chance for the crossovers. Nabor pushes. Another match point saved. Mondoñedo adjusts. Gonzaga running. Jasnabor to Ces Robles. Cloan Mondoñedo. Chai Troncoso dug by Nunag. Nabor, another setup for Robles. Binalik. Nabor, one more try. Opts for the tip. Gonzaga putting it down. Jovelyn Gonzaga gives Zeus Coffee back-to-back wins. And who else to finish it off, Paneng?
Of course, it's their veteran and their ate, Jov Gonzaga. But grabe naman yung attack na yun. Ang layo ng pinanggalingan ng set. But knowing Jov Gonzaga as a veteran, but grabe yung target na yun. Diniin niya talaga yung palo Nunez sa cross court. And you can't leave Job Gonzaga with no blockers there kahit malayo or malapit.